Good morning students. Today we will draw scraping technique drawing. Here listen carefully. First use yellow color like in step 1 is given. Same thing we will have to do. First apply yellow color. Now take yellow color and fill overlay of yellow color. Brown color for trunk of tree. Now here use sharp object like a nail or a pin. Curve scribble lines we will have to draw first, then straight lines and waves line as shown in step 3 to give the texture of the tree. Enjoy scraping. Thank you for watching.